Hello everyone, welcome to the Eco Succession Academy. Today we are going to discuss TGPSC and APPSC AEE 2026 Assistant Environmental Engineer Paper 2 Previous Year Questions of 2025. Practice daily for success with Eco Succession Academy. First question, why are ecosystems important? First one, habitat only. Second, regulate climate and provide oxygen. Soil formation, entertainment. Correct answer is regulate climate and provide the oxygen. Ecosystems provide the essential life support services including the regulation of earth, climate and production of oxygen through the photosynthesis, and which are vital for the all living organisms. Second question is, which of the following is a part of terrestrial ecosystem? Terrestrial ecosystem, first we should know the what is the terrestrial ecosystems. First one is estuaries, rivers, wetlands, grasslands. Here terrestrial means land based ecosystems called as a terrestrial ecosystem. So in this, estuaries and rivers, wetlands all comes under the aquatic ecosystems. So option 4, grassland, is the terrestrial ecosystem. Which of the following is an indirect utilization of the forest ecosystem? So what we are getting from the forest directly, it's called as a direct benefit. Fruits we are getting directly, wood for farm implements and grass for grazing. These three will comes in the direct utilization. Paper, which we are taking the raw material from the wood and then we are taking it, making it to paper. So it comes under the indirect utilization. Fourth question, what is the food chain called where animals feed on dead organic matter? Options, herbivorous, detritus, carnivorous, omnivorous. Answer is 2, detritus food chain. It begins with the dead organic matter which is consumed by the decomposers or detrivorous, rather than other things will starts with the living producers. Fifth one, which of the following best describes a food web? Options, linear energy flow, single chain, complex network of interconnected food chains, nutrient cycle. Answer is third, complex network of interconnected food chains. Here in the picture you can see how food chain is interlinked to the one chain to another. So it's combinedly shows the interlinked web, so which is like a complex. A food web is a more realistic representation of energy flow than a single chain. It shows how multiple food chains are interconnected. Sixth question, what is the first tropic level of an ecological pyramid? Options, primary consumers, secondary consumers, producers, tertiary consumers. Answer is producers. Here in the previous picture you can see like there are the steps, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and top consumers or tertiary consumers. Producers are the plants or the autotrophs. From these pyramid it will be starts, and these will take the solar energy into the energy, then it will converts to the chemical energy, so which sustains the, like from here itself the food will goes through phototropic from one level to the another level. In an ecological pyramid, what is the primary direction of energy flow? The energy, how it will go? Consumers to producers, producers to the consumers, decomposers to the consumers, predators to the producers. Option is 2, producers to the consumer. Energy enters to the ecosystem to the producers and moves upward like to the primary consumers, then secondary consumers, then tertiary consumers. Eighth question is, which of the following best describes an ecosystem? Options, plants or animals only, soil, water, air only, climate and weather, interaction between the living organisms and environment. Option 4 is correct. An ecosystem is defined with the two compounds will be there. Biotic community will be there and abiotic community will be there. Biotic community which will take the plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, everything like a living organisms, and abiotic components will be non-living factors like soil, water, air, climate, weather, etc. Ninth question, which of the following best describes bioaccumulation? Options, gradual accumulation of pollutants in tissues, elimination of toxins, food accumulation, nutrient movement. Option 1 is the correct. Bioaccumulation. Accumulation means it is getting in a one place, it is increasing its a concentration, and then it is moving on to the other bodies. Bioaccumulation refers to the process where the chemicals or the pollutants build up in an organism's body faster than they can be excreted or metabolized, leading to the high concentrations over a time. 10th question is, what does the term biogeochemical signify? Options: movement of organisms, flow of energy, cycling of elements between living and non-living compounds, geological processes. Correct answer is 3. Reasons. Bio refers to the life, geo refers to the rock or earth, and chemical refers to the elements involved. It describes the cycle of matter like carbon or nitrogen, how it will be enters to the from the soil to the earth, and from earth to the atmosphere, how it will be circularly formation is happening. So this is all goes to the biological and geological system. So that's why it is called as a biogeochemical circle.